Hey future you, this is Gemini, day one of Seoul, South Korea. We are so extremely terrified but also so excited for this new semester at Seoul National University. We know there's going to be lots of ups and downs, but we hope that when we document our entire trip, we'll be able to look back and laugh, smile, maybe even cry a little bit. But until then, good luck. We arrived in Seoul in the late afternoon, so we were definitely too tired to do anything, but luckily that means we were able to wake up early the next morning and come visit our new apartment. We are so grateful and so excited to be living here. It's in an absolutely beautiful building. Right next to it's lots of cafes and food places. There's also a gym downstairs. The interior of our apartment room is also so beautiful. It's very minimalistic and it just feels like a very soft lighting throughout, and so we always feel so relaxed here. Time somehow just seems slower when we're inside the apartment, which I think is a good thing. It just means that we feel really relaxed at home, which is lovely. The kitchen is definitely one of our favorite parts of this apartment. We've been cooking a few different meals since arriving here. They've mostly been some different types of Korean traditional porridges, so that's been really wonderful to try out, and hopefully we'll be able to try some other recipes soon. We've also been switching on the TV and just watching some local channels whenever we come home. So definitely been a lot of Boys Planet that's been on Mnet. It's airing recently. Since we're outside in Seoul most of the day, we usually just come back and we're collapsing right on the bed. It's hidden behind a retractable door, which is quite nice. The view from our apartment is breathtaking. Right in front of us, one of those rooms is actually occupied by one of the biggest Korean actors, which if you watch K-dramas, you've definitely heard of them. We're slowly discovering that there are quite a few Korean celebrities in this area. In fact, just a few floors above us, one of the biggest K-pop idols in Korea owns a penthouse, and trust me, you know who they are, but we're gonna keep it private. Right now, we're just enjoying the good views, the greenery, the palaces. It all makes for a spectacular view. So this was a little quick tour of our apartment. We are so excited to be moving in, and we think the apartment looks beautiful in the daytime, but we think it's even more spectacular at nighttime. It truly looks like Hera Palace or something out of a K-drama when we walk downstairs into the lobby. This little lobby couch is usually where we order our Kakao taxis, which is pretty much the Uber or Lyft that's used in Korea. When you head downstairs, there's also a lounge, so there's more food places, massage chairs, just lots of places for studying, and we'll definitely need to check it out later. So at this point, we are still staying at a hotel nearby, so that way we could slowly move our things into the new apartment. When in Korea, you have to have Korean barbecue, and we came with our dad. He's been coming to help us move in, and he has been the biggest help. We are so happy that he's here, and we're really gonna miss him when he leaves. But the next morning, we woke up quite early because of the jet lag, and we headed out. The apartment is located right next to the Gyeongbokgung Palace, so it is also right next to the mountains, makes for a spectacular view. It is also a very safe area. Definitely looking out for some really cool bakeries, and we found this one. They were making fresh bread when we arrived, and we couldn't stop ourselves from coming in, checking it out. We ended up getting two types of bread. So the first was an anpan, so it's like a bun with red bean filling inside. It's our favorite type of bread in Korea, and we also tried this one. We've never tried it before, and it had a sort of sweet jam inside. It was delicious. Definitely will want to try that out again. Next, we stopped at a bakery / cafe that was very close to our apartment called Our Bakery. We honestly just came in to grab a coffee because our hands were so cold, and it felt really good to hold on to something warm. And then right after that, we also escaped the cold and found this little restaurant nearby, and we grabbed some dumpling soup. It was really nice once again to grab something warm because, guys, it was so cold outside, but we did it. We somewhat survived the cold, and we'll definitely be bundled up in the next few days. Real talk, it has been quite overwhelming. What you don't see on camera is, just that feeling of so much change happening at once, and definitely for us, we've been feeling, just the natural, emotions that come with moving halfway across the world into a completely foreign country. But that's what study abroad is all about, and we're really grateful, really excited to have the opportunity to kind of push ourselves to be in a completely new setting, and we're just so excited for everything that's to come. So you'll need to wish us good luck, and see you next time.